Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with another video, another tutorial. Today let's make our PC faster than usual. I have three different methods to do that, and wait for the bonus one till the video ends. Let's get started with the first method. Open your run dialog box from searching here or clicking Windows plus run R button. Hit the command temp. Delete all of these files with shift plus delete combination buttons. These files are temporary files made when you are browsing the internet so that your browsing is smoother. Skip the files if you are unable to delete it. Now guys, let's get to the second method. Open the dialog box again. Now run the command %temp % and click OK. Now you have got to select all this file. Or just click Ctrl plus A and you're gonna shift plus delete. Now guys, let's get to the third method. Open the run box again. Now run the command prefetch. And click on OK. Don't worry guys, these files are just temporarily made so that your web experience is good. You can select all the files by using shortcut Ctrl plus A and delete them permanently by using shift plus delete. Those are the three methods that I guaranteed you making your PC faster. Now let's get to the bonus one, fourth one. Always keep a tab on your task manager, because some apps may be running in the background like Chrome does, and you can see the 100% of my CPU is being used. I can just close this Chrome. So that's it guys, thanks for watching today's video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech.